sorry.
No, it's okay. I didn't see what you did.
Are you hurt?
Yeah, no. Well, there's a little nick. It's okay. It's no worries at all.
Okay, these damn zippers, man.
Oh, don't worry about the zips. You're good. Just you're good.
Zippery.
Yeah, go and through it. You're good.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make it through.
No, you can't cut the gap.
Let me try. Nope.
You can't seal the wedge. Okay.
Yeah.
This door is open.
I see. Maybe if you open it more.
Open it a little more.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Is this okay?
That hurt a little bit, but you know.
I'm sorry.
But let's try. Let's
Do
try.
you think you could seal the wedge again?
Maybe.
Okay.
If I try it this direction.
Wait, what about the door behind you?
Oh, you're right. You're right.
Maybe because that might eliminate space. I'll open this a little more.
Okay.
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 Yeah. Anything?
No.
Okay. We
It's
got.
just stubbing my toe a little bit.
Oh, okay. Here, let me shut it a little bit.
Yeah. That's
Oh wait, you know what?
Huh?
This might work.
What? Oh hey.
Hey, that might work.
Wow.
Okay.
I think that.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, did you leave something?
No. Go ahead, go on through. You're good.
Thanks.
Yeah. Oh, but you know what? I did realize I just left my keys in my apartment.
Oh, that's alright.
No?
Yeah. Let's just go this way.
Okay. Here. Right here. I'm just gonna. Oh, yeah, you're right. Maybe this will eliminate the gap. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because. Oh, sorry.
Oh no, it's okay. Don't worry about it. It's my door.
Yeah.
It's alright. Wait. What about if we cut through here?
What if we just close this and we walk this way? What do you think?
I think that's revolutionary.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's
All right,
try
let's
it.
go.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, it always happens. What is this? Here, try maybe going this way, like through here.
Oh, okay. Like cut the gap.
Yeah, but I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't know you were going.
No, it's
just
okay.
said, like 3, 2, 1.
It's okay. I have one more idea.
What?
No, that won't work. Never mind, because that'll involve scissors.
Scissors.
Just
maybe I should just go that way.
yeah, maybe you should just go.
Okay. Hey, it worked.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
no, it's okay.
Do you mind if I just squeak?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. Here, do you want me to? This door is open.
Oh, damn it.
I don't know.
What do you suggest? Did I bump you? Are you hurt? Are you okay?
You know, I got a little nick on my arm, but we're good. We're good.
Okay.
Let me just figure out. Maybe
if I like. No.
Oh wait, you know what?
What?
Oh,
that works. All right.
Oh shoot, I'm sorry. I just gotta get in my apartment.
Oh, wait. I have an idea. Follow me. Just follow. Is this good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Oh yeah, you can scoot.
Okay.